one host, three judges, and four mystery ingredients.
So far, we've had spring rolls, we've had rice pockets, we've had calzone and spam in a purse.
It's really, really pretty. It's like a mosaic. It's really, you eat with your eyes, and there's a lot of pretty colors there. And you made almost like a sushi, but then it was like a translucent sushi. And so it's really pretty.
The rice paper is fried and becomes a kind of a different sort of carrier. I like the idea of a coconut chickpea curry. It's straightforward, but very tasty.
And here we go with a Russian pierogi with lardons.
Pierogies are definitely something that is not easy to make. And this person definitely went out of the box and even made a chickpea coconut milk farmer's cheese.
I think the writing is really good. I love the reference to lardons and to batons of spam. I am a scholar who loves her footnotes, and this feels like a footnoted dish.
To pan fry this in a small amount of dark fat, that's yummy. I always look for stories as a way to appreciate the food that I'm going to eat, and also the community where the food is located. UCI Fresh Food Pantry. Just looking at those words, this tells a remarkably wonderful story.